Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. I know you're all super excited because we are even closer now to the pre-launch, which is July the 8th. It is almost July now. It is actually June the 29th. So a lot of you have been sending me some messages asking, well, what can I do? I'm so excited to get started. Can I just sign up? Can I just do what I have to do to sign up? So unfortunately, they are not allowing us to sign up anybody yet, but I can give you guys kind of some tips on what helped me because I first started selling Epicure a couple years ago, and literally it can be very overwhelming at first because I'm that person who wants to learn everything about everything so that I can be able to, teach my customers and be able to answer questions. So what I suggest doing is actually, if you go to my site, so at andreaturowski.epicure.com, I can put the link for you guys obviously on the bottom, but I suggest just having a look, just going through everything, because customers will be asking you things such as, oh, well, what products do you suggest I buy? Because Epicure just sounds so amazing. You're making it sound so amazing, but I literally want everything in the catalog. Like, what do you suggest I start with? And you don't want to say, oh, well, I don't know, just pick something. They want you to tell them what you think is a good thing to start with, because Epicure is exciting. And I was the exact same, where I would I remember going to an Epicure party and I literally thought everything just sounded awesome. Like, I literally wanted one of everything. But I kind of said to the host, I said, well, what do you suggest I get? Because I want everything. And of course, what they usually tell you is, well, I don't know. You can get whatever you want, type of thing. But I like being able to offer some insight on that. So for myself, what I tell customers is, well, think of things you use most often at home and buy it with Epicure, like salt, pepper, and then, if you use a barbecue sauce all the time, if you cook salmon all the time, things like that. But even taking it a step further, I do say, well, I can give you guys some of my most popular products, plus the ones that I use the most often at home. So always, even for yourself too, it's nice to know that if you're looking for a product, you just have to type it in here. So let's just say we want to look at the steamers, because those are the most amazing things. You have got to tell your customers that they need at least one of them, because this will change their life, honestly. And I say this because I had gotten my mom a steamer for Christmas, and she said to me often, like, well, I don't really know, like, I haven't used it yet, I don't really know what to do. Like, we're so used to using like pots and pans, or I told her to make rice in her steamer, and she said, well, we just have a rice cooker. I'm okay to use that. But she actually did try. Um, she put broccoli, I believe it was, in the steamer. And she said it was the most amazing thing ever. She said, I didn't have to add water. It took 2 minutes. It was so easy to wash the steamer afterwards. I am sold. Like, I kind of wish I tried this sooner. And I said, well, yeah, Mom, you pretty much had it since Christmas. And I think she actually got around to trying it in April or May. And I said, well, yeah, Mom, like, you have to try it. They need a steamer, okay? So the tiny one is for pretty much anything, but I like to use the larger one for like a full chicken. If you're obviously cooking dinner for your family, pasta is probably a good idea. I've done popcorn in here too before. Like, it's a good idea to get at least one. The full size, you can't go wrong with the full size. Plus, there is a tray included inside too. So what I tell people is, if you like to cook, let's just say eggs and bacon in the morning, put the bacon on top. So then you just put it in the microwave for, I mean, everyone is different, like 3 minutes, like 5 minutes even. And the bacon isn't as greasy because it actually runs down through the tray to the bottom. So how nice is that? But if customers are kind of looking at me like, okay, what do I get? The steamers are amazing. And then let's just say, I might say to my customers, so what do you like eating? And they might say to me, well, I like pasta. So just for fun, I will type in pasta and they can look up all of these things. And I say, well, look up something that you would be interested in cooking. And then they might go, oh, well, this actually looks really good, like a pot roast pasta. Interesting. So click on that. It tells you exactly how to make it, plus what you need to make this. So then I say, hey, well, if you are looking for something, well, this would be a good idea to, try. And if you need a new multi-purpose pot, that would be excellent. We have other seasonings here too. So we just kind of make it easy for them to pick something. And what I like about Epicure so much is that even if you go up to cook, they give you so many ideas. If you want like dinner ideas, you just have to click dinner. If you bought a certain product, you just have to type that in here. Let's say you want to learn cooking with tea. But another thing I like too is if you go up to shop, let's just say, oh, well, I like popcorn. So let's see what it says under popcorn here. Like, what do they have for popcorn? All of these different options. And then go up to shop again. Oh, well, salts and peppers. Well, what's so exciting about salt and pepper? Look at all of these amazing options. So we make it so easy for people to kind of decide, well, if they don't know what they want, just look at the website and there's so many different options. And I find it's nice for you too, to kind of be able to look at the website now and have an idea of things we do offer. So if a customer says to you, oh, I heard you guys sell tea, like what's that about? And you don't want to say, oh shoot, you know what, I don't know, let me look that up. Well, at least you will have an idea now of, yes, we do sell teas, we sell many different types, and actually our teas are so popular. I probably sell a tea to every customer at least once, and then as soon as they try something, they like it so much that they want more. So teas are very, very popular. So have a look. Just look through the website, because once you get started, you will be so excited to just sort of start and get ready. And then you might go, oh shoot, I really don't know much about the products. And people are asking me questions. What do I do? So it just helps to have an idea of what's on the website. Feel free to look through all of this a little bit at a time. And if you guys are looking to order something now, you can actually order through me, and then your order comes to my house, and then I will ship it off to you. So it literally takes maybe 3 days. For them to have it shipped to me, it takes about a week, but then for me to ship to you, because I do send it tracked, it takes 3 days, maybe 4. So if you want to try something, because this is exciting, let me know, and I am more than happy to help, because pre-launch is starting July the 8th, and then you are able to sell to your customers in August. So pre-launch is when you can purchase the kit. Exciting, right? I'm excited, you're excited, everybody's excited. So let me know, you guys, if you need anything. I am so happy to help, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.